Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce for Kuzhimanthi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, a medium onion, and fresh ginger and garlic. Don't forget your essential spices: cumin, coriander, and a touch of chili powder for that perfect kick. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Start by blanching your tomatoes in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then quickly transfer them to an ice bath. This makes peeling them incredibly easy. Once peeled, roughly chop them. Next, finely mince your onion, garlic, and ginger. Precision here ensures a smooth sauce. Finally, measure out your spices, ensuring everything is ready for the pan. Time to bring the flavors together. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your minced onion, garlic, and ginger, sautéing until they become fragrant and slightly golden. This builds a fantastic flavor base. Then, stir in your chopped tomatoes and spices, cooking for about 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Almost there. Once your sauce has simmered, let it cool slightly, then blend it until it's wonderfully smooth. You can use an immersion blender or a regular blender for this. Return the silky sauce to the pan and adjust the seasoning with salt and a pinch of sugar to perfectly balance the acidity. This rich, flavorful tomato sauce is now ready to elevate your Kuzhimanthi. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.